up, y'all? This is Gina and welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a little while. I have not been consistent, but I had to bring today's video because it is very special. This is a special month for me because it is my 1 year YouTube anniversary. Yeah, baby, when I tell you it has been a long year. I have wanted to give up YouTube so many times, but I'm so glad I didn't. So in today's video, it's just a little bit of an appreciation video for you guys. But before we get things started, I kind of gotta talk about this hair. This hair here is from NAEBEAUTY. Comes in a box like this. In the box, of course, was my wig. They send you some cute little mink lashes, a wig band, which is helpful for people who got like smaller heads or they just want to keep it secured down and you don't want to glue the wig down. You can attach this on the inside of your wig, which is very helpful. And it came with a wig cap and of course instructions on how to take care of your wig. Me, I like simple, easy wigs. So I literally took this wig out of the package. I brushed it out. I cut the lace off, I cut the baby hairs, I plucked the hairline just a little bit, and that was it. She was on my head ready to go. Y'all know I don't really like the uniform part, so with this hair, I just did the little flippy flip over one shoulder. That's usually how I wear my hair, no matter what brand of hair it is. With texture, wave pattern, I always wear my hair, flip the little flip over, this side over behind my shoulder, this side over my shoulder, and the curls were pretty cute. So I was like, okay, don't have to do much to it. Tonight when I go out, I probably will wand curl it. But this is one of those easy breezy units. Let me tell you some little specs on the hair. I gotta look at my phone just because I don't want to get anything wrong. Okay, so this hair is 22 inches. This is their pre-plucked 13x6 lace deep part lace front wig. It's human hair, it is loose wave, and it is 180% density, and the texture of the hair is Brazilian. It wasn't any shedding. This hair, I probably will dye it jet black just because I don't have any jet black wigs at the time. So I will probably dye this hair jet black. It's really soft. I have only been wearing this hair for an hour, so this is just my initial thoughts on the hair. Like I said, I will be going out tonight, so I will wand curl it, so hopefully it acts right when I wand curl it, but I'm sure it will. It's really soft. Y'all check them out. I will have a coupon code down below. Y'all know I like to save y'all them coins. And this hair, it did not have a smell. Oh, it smells really good, actually. It didn't have a smell. The wave pattern, I really liked. Like I said, this is one of those easy breezy wigs. That's all I wear. Y'all know how I like to do. I like to save y'all coins and I like to make your life as simple as possible. So this is the way to go. Y'all make sure to check out NAEBEAUTY. Let them know Gina sent you. Use my coupon code down below and save that coin. Okay, now, so 1 year ago. So let me just tell y'all my YouTube story. I originally started YouTube because on my social media, on Instagram and Facebook, I would always post all this cheap clothing that I would find. I would find an outfit for $5. I would find $3 pants. I would find $4 shoes, 50-cent shirts, you know, brand new items. And people would always be like, Gina, you have got to start a YouTube so we can see where you shop, how you shop. I just wanted to know how I shopped, where I shopped, you know, when do I go and get my sales. So I was like, let me just go ahead and start a YouTube with me trying on clothes and just showing you guys clothes and stuff that I find for cheap. You know, I never even thought about the money aspect of it. I never thought about even getting as many subscribers as I have today. It was more of just like, let me just do this for my Instagram people. So I started off with my iPhone, just filming, propping it up, filming. I did buy a ring light that was The only purchase that I made when I first started my YouTube, that was $100. And I was like, this better pay off, because my little $100 on this light, it just better pay off. And I would edit my videos on iMovie on my phone, and I would put them out. And then it just started getting like fun to me. You know, don't get me wrong, it's hard work and it does cost money, because these clothes that I was trying on for you guys, it was not sponsored. They were not sent to me. I was going out shopping. I would have to like plan videos out, like, okay, this day, this is what I'm gonna do for this video, this is what I'm gonna do for this video, you know. So it did take time and it did take work. So that's why I said it was so many times where I was like, I just want to give this up. Is this for me? Like, I'm a mom, I'm working full-time in a real career, and I just didn't have much time. You know, I have a fiance, so, you know, it was just like, is it really worth it? And then, you know, after a while, like I said, it had its ups and downs of fun times, and then like, oh my God, why am I doing this? I'm not making any money from this. Nobody's really even watching my videos. I'm not hardly getting any views, not getting any extra, you know, people on Instagram following me. Like, why am I even doing this? But guys, it really does pay off if you put in the hard work. It is just, it's really worth it. You can start making money from it. You can get a bunch of subscribers. Some people want to do this for money. Some people want to do this for fame. Some people want to do this for free stuff. You know, if you're doing it off of that, then this is not the right thing for you. Just because you will not get any of that in the beginning, you may not ever get to that level. You know, it's all about how much work you put in. And I'm just so excited that 1 year ago today, pretty much, well, 1 year ago this month, I think my actual anniversary was a week ago, that, you know, I just decided to put up my phone, buy a light, and then just start filming for you guys. I didn't know what I was doing with the editing. I didn't know if the content that I was putting out you guys would actually like, but you guys have literally rode with me, and I so appreciate it. Like, whenever I get in front of the camera now, like, I get excited. I get excited to show you guys the deals that I find. You know, I've now even kind of transitioned to even showing you guys some of the couponing stuff that I do. Because yes, your girl is a couponer. Some people think it's crazy. My fiance always laughs at me and thinks it's crazy. But we got a big old stockpile in there of toothpaste, body wash, detergent and stuff that's gonna last us for over a year. So really, it's not that funny. So you know, I just love, I'm a girl who loves to save money. I love to shop. So shopping, and I can save money while I'm doing it, then that just goes hand in hand. That I'll be happy at the end of the day. So I just want to tell you guys, literally from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for rocking with me. I will be bringing you guys more content, different kinds of content. If you want me to just stick with the clothing hauls, let me know that. If you guys want more of like dieting tips, what I eat in the day, you know, just more lifestyle, just stuff, more personal stuff about my life, let me know that too, because I'm really open to doing anything. It's been a year. I've tried stuff that's worked. I've tried stuff that hasn't worked. Some stuff that you guys love, some stuff that you guys probably obviously hate. But I am here doing this for y'all. Like I said, if you get into YouTube, it can be fun, it can be lucrative, but you have to enjoy doing this or you are not gonna last on this platform. Y'all see that NAEBEAUTY hair? Did y'all see what I just did there? Your girl likes big hair, so anyway, I digress. But anyway, check out NAEBEAUTY. Coupon code down below. Thank you to them for sending me this wig. But yeah, guys, I mean, I know you guys have seen me grow. Y'all seen my channel grow, and I am just so appreciative. I think I'm at like almost 40,000. Let me see where I'm at. I think I'm almost at 40,000 subscribers. And to do that in a year, that's probably like not much to some YouTubers. They just like instantly grew overnight. But to me, this is like, it's awesome. Like, it really is. Like 40,000 people stopped on my page. Over 40,000 people stopped on my page. But all of y'all, yes, I'm at 39,841. I just get so excited. Like, literally, I never thought, you guys. And I always tell all of my friends, family, start a YouTube. It's fun. Like, this is just a hobby, and a hobby that can pay off in the end. Like, my goal, like, literally was to only have like 10,000 subscribers. Like, I literally only thought I was gonna get like 10,000 subscribers or less. I thought I was gonna get maybe a couple of free items from a couple of companies, but never did I think that I would have 40,000 in a year. And I have, you know, people here and there hitting me up for collabs and business stuff. Like, it's literally, it's awesome. Like, you know, so I always tell people, like, YouTube is the way to go. Like, it's really cool. It's you know, get in now before it gets like way too saturated. But guys, I just really want to stop by and just tell you guys thank you. I am having a giveaway because you guys are real riders. You guys always rock with me. My giveaway is going to be just some items that I've collected, just some beauty stuff, some jewelry, nail art, a bunch of lashes, just little stuff like that. I am going to show you guys on the screen. You're going to have option 1 or option 2. So the way you get option 1 or option 2 is you have to first subscribe to my channel. You have to be a subscriber because this is for my loyal people. Then you have to go over to my Instagram and you have to follow me on Instagram. So like I said, because I started this because of my Instagram supporters, everybody who is eligible to win this giveaway, you have to have an Instagram. Your Instagram does have to be open. So once you follow me on Instagram, come back to this video in the comments. You write, do you want batch number 1 or batch number 2? And then also write your Instagram name in the comments, because I have to be able to go back and check to make sure you follow the directions. I need to see that you are following me. I need to know that you are subscribed to me. So that's my way of being able to check. So once again, let me go over these rules again. If you want batch number 1 or batch number 2, you need to pick that. You need to be subscribed to my channel. Go over to my Instagram, which is ThatDamnGina. I will put it at the bottom of the screen as well. You need to follow me on Instagram. Come back to this video. Put if you want batch number 1, batch number 2, and then put your Instagram name along in that comment as well. I will randomly pick 2 winners. I will hit you back up on Instagram. I will send you a message. You have 24 hours to respond to that message, or I go on to the next person. So yeah, guys. So that will be it. Thank you guys once again. I just say thank you so much just because I can't believe it's been a whole year. Y'all rock with me. Y'all love me. I love you guys. Mwah. So much. More to come to my channel. You will be seeing more of me. I will have an update on, you know, if you're a real rider, you know what I just went through a couple months ago. I'll be doing an update on that. And yeah, guys, once again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my next videos. I am going to be back on a schedule of releasing 2 videos every week, so look out for me. And thank you guys so much. All right, guys, until next time, bye. This is batch number 1. This has some chokers in it, some liquid eyeliner, some lipstick, a mirror, and a bunch of lashes. So this is batch number 1. Guys, this is batch number 2. It's not a huge difference between the 2. This one just has like nail stuff in it. So this has like nail art. That's for your toes, for your fingernails. Yeah, you see I got these on a little discount. That's why I am the discount diva. As you see, this is a little pumi bar for your nails, a nail file, lashes, sunglasses, a mirror. So this is batch number 2. So let me guys know which batch you want in the comments, and make sure to follow all of the rules.